We did angiosperm. So once again we'll start with from where we started. We had a Plantae. It has a thallophyta. Thallophyta. What does it mean? Body has thallus, no true root, stem or leaf. So this thallophyta has one group, that is algae. This algae has three groups, that is red, brown and green. बहुत अच्छा किया है आपने, बहुत अच्छी तरह किया है. Red, brown and green. Then we have a embryophyta. We have embryophyta. Embryophyta means it has embryo. So embryophyta has atracheophyta or avascular plants. Avascular plant क्या आ गया हमारा? Bryophyta. बिल्कुल ठीक है. It is bryophyta. Then we have embryophyta as two groups. One is without seed and other is with seed. Without seed we call them pteridophyta. बिल्कुल ठीक है. And these are spermatophyta. बहुत ही अच्छी तरह किया आप लोगों ने. Spermatophyta has two groups, that is gymnosperm, that is a naked seed plant, and angiosperm, that is seed within fruit. Seed within fruit. So I think it's clear to all of you how we started from Plantae. जो हमने स्टार्ट किया था, अब वहीं हमने इसको फिनिश किया.